Rayner Teo. Is Rayner Teo a scam? David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com, and I want to reiterate that everything that I say here is my opinion. Do not take anything I say as fact. In my opinion, Rayner Teo is running a fraud, and I do believe that he is a scam. The reason is all the regular indicators and all of the telltale signs are there, where he focuses on forex, technical analysis, indicators, charting, candlesticks, Fibonacci, etc. And I can't even tell you how much of an enormous red flag this is. So I don't care if this person trades live every single day and shows you their trading results, because the fact is, as we all know, it's extremely common for these fake gurus who are day traders and who use technical analysis to use a demo account, to use a shady broker, and to not trade with real money. And if they are making money, then what they're doing is likely engaging in pump and dump, where they are buying a low float stock, then they are telling their subscribers to go purchase this stock, and then as their subscribers rush in to purchase these pretty much low float, almost worthless securities, the educator is then selling these shares to the subscribers for a large profit. I don't believe that this is what's happening here, but I can tell you that from all of the telltale signs with forex, technical analysis, using and teaching indicators, I believe that if this guy is claiming that he is a successful trader, then that is incorrect and he is a fraud, and I believe that he is running a scam, in my opinion. So again, Rayner Teo, I believe that he is running a scam. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts about whether you believe that Rayner Teo is legitimate or whether he's running a scam. And I read and respond to everyone's comments, and I appreciate your attention.